Time now for Burden of Proof, where we break down some of the big legal cases that we're following. A$AP Rocky's lawyers now making their case in his shooting trial in Los Angeles, with one of the rapper's friends, A$AP 12y, taking the stand to talk about the night that Rocky met up with the alleged victim. And also rapper Kendrick Lamar gears up for the Super Bowl, but many are wondering if he'll do that Grammy award-winning historic diss record, Not Like Us, during the halftime show. Joining me for now on more of this is civil rights attorney Areva Martin. Areva, thank you for joining us. And I want to dive in on this A$AP trial. There was a moment yesterday, or this week, when A$AP Rocky spoke out in the middle of A$AP 12y's testimony, telling him not to explain what the letters AWGE stood for, a question about the A$AP crew. Could this hurt the rapper in his trial?
I don't think so. I think the evidence that has been produced so far has been devastating to the prosecution's case. And now having A$AP 12y testify pretty consistently with what the defense's theory has been all along, I can't see a pathway forward for the prosecution in this case.
Well, and with that in mind, you're looking at the page for that site that A$AP runs. But do you think that Rocky is going to take the stand here?
I don't think he has to. The issue here is beyond reasonable doubt. Has the prosecution proved its case beyond reasonable doubt? And when you look at the testimony from A$AP 12y, that in fact, this was an altercation where A$AP really was the aggressor, where A$AP Rocky used a prop gun, did not shoot the gun at A$AP 12y, which is what the defense's theory has been all along. I think there is sufficient reasonable doubt whereby A$AP Rocky doesn't have to take the witness stand. It could be very dangerous for a defendant to get on the stand. Cross-examination can be brutal, and literally there's no reason to, when the prosecution has failed to present a credible case that establishes guilt beyond reasonable doubt. And I think in this case, the defense has been effective.
Yeah, like the segment says, burden of proof. All right, real quick, I want to turn now to tomorrow, the Super Bowl, and this feud between Kendrick Lamar and Drake. We know Kendrick's smash hit, Not Like Us. It's the center of an ugly legal battle followed by Drake. But look, I mean, the song's won Grammys. It was the song of the summer. It'd be shocking if he didn't perform it. But do you think there's some liability there if he does?
Not really, Alex. This is a defamation case that Drake filed against the Universal Music Group, his own music label. It's not a defamation action against Kendrick Lamar, which makes the suit very curious and very unsubstantiated. I don't see any justification for this defamation action, and I don't see any reason why the Super Bowl would be concerned about Kendrick Lamar performing this hit song. Like you said, Grammy award-winning cultural anthem. I think we're going to hear it tomorrow, and I think we're going to all be very happy to hear it.
Oh, and we heard it at the Grammys, but Drake is now suing the label over some specific lyrics, specifically whenever Kendrick Lamar alleges that Drake is a certified pedophile. But it'll certainly be something interesting to see. Areva Martin, thank you so much.
Thank you.